Every successful person has a story of struggle, a story of bold decisions, and a story that changed their life forever. Today, we will learn English through an inspiring real-life story. This is the story of Donald John Trump, from a disciplined student to a famous businessman, and finally to the President of the United States. So relax, listen carefully, and let this story improve your English and your mindset. Part 1. Early Life, Slow Storytelling Tone. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. He was born into a wealthy family. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate businessman. Donald grew up with 4 siblings. Even though his family was rich, Donald's life was not always easy. As a young boy, he was energetic, strong-minded, and sometimes difficult to control. Because of this, his parents made a serious decision. They sent him to the New York Military Academy. This decision changed his life. Part 2. Discipline and Education. Life at the military academy was strict. There were rules, discipline, and responsibility. Donald learned how to control himself. He learned leadership, confidence, and focus. After finishing school, he joined Fordham University. Later, he transferred to the Wharton School of Business, one of the most respected business schools in the world. In 1968, Donald Trump graduated with a degree in economics. Now his real journey was about to begin. Part 3. Entering the business world. After college, Donald joined his father's company, the Trump Organization. But Donald did not want to stay in the shadow of his father. He wanted to create his own identity. In the early 1970s, he took a big risk. He renovated an old hotel in New York and turned it into the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project was a huge success. People started noticing him. The name Donald Trump became famous. Part 4. Rise to Fame, Confident Tone. In the 1980s, Donald Trump built Trump Tower in Manhattan. It became a symbol of luxury, power, and success. He invested in hotels, casinos, and real estate. Some businesses succeeded. Some failed. But Donald never gave up. He believed one thing strongly. Never think small. Think big. Part 5. Television and Global Fame. In 2004, Donald Trump entered television. He became the host of the reality show, The Apprentice. Millions of people watched the show. His famous words, "You're fired," became world famous. Now, he was not just a businessman. He was a global celebrity. Part 6. Personal Life, Soft Tone. Donald Trump was married 3 times. He has 5 children. Despite fame and success, his personal life had challenges and criticism. But Donald believed, life is about moving forward, not looking back. Part 7. Entering Politics, Serious Tone. In 2015, Donald Trump surprised the world. He announced that he would run for President of the United States. Many people laughed. Many people doubted him, but he continued. In 2016, against all expectations, Donald Trump won the election and became the 45th President of the United States, a businessman, a TV star, now a president. Part 8. Challenges and Comeback. His presidency was controversial. Some people supported him strongly. Others criticized him deeply. In 2020, he lost the election. But Donald Trump did not disappear. He stayed active, confident, and determined. In 2024, he made history again by winning the election and becoming the 47th President of the United States. Conclusion. Emotional, inspiring tone. Donald Trump's life teaches us one powerful lesson. Your background does not define your future. Your failures do not end your journey. Your confidence can change your destiny. Whether you agree with him or not, his story proves one thing. Never stop believing in yourself. Thank you for watching English Revenue. If this story helped your English, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning through stories.